If you're seeing the AnyDesk error that says the network connection was closed unexpectedly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with Windows Firewall settings, then check your antivirus, turn off VPNs and proxies, and finally adjust AnyDesk's direct connection settings. These steps are easy to follow, and you do not need to be a tech expert to do them. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, we're going to check Windows Defender Firewall, because in many cases, AnyDesk is being blocked from making the connection it needs. On your keyboard, click the Windows search bar and type Windows Defender Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall from the search results. Once it opens, look for the option that says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click that option. On the next screen, you'll need to click Change Settings so you can edit the allowed apps list. If Windows asks for permission, confirm it. Now scroll through the list and find AnyDesk. Once you see it, make sure both the private and public boxes are checked. This is important because if only one box is enabled, AnyDesk may still run into connection issues depending on which network you're using. After checking both boxes, save the changes and close the firewall window. This one step alone often fixes the error for a lot of users. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your third-party antivirus software. Some antivirus programs are a little too aggressive and can block AnyDesk traffic even when Windows Firewall is configured correctly. Open your antivirus app and temporarily disable it. You do not need to uninstall it, just pause or turn off its protection for the moment so you can test whether it's interfering with AnyDesk. After disabling it, try reconnecting in AnyDesk. If the error disappears, then your antivirus was likely the cause. In that case, you may need to add AnyDesk to the antivirus allow list or exclusion list later so you can keep your protection without blocking the app. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy services you may be using. VPNs and proxies can change how your internet traffic is routed, and that can cause AnyDesk connections to fail unexpectedly. If you have a VPN app running, disconnect from it completely. If you are using a proxy in your network settings, disable that as well for testing. Once both are turned off, try AnyDesk again and see whether the connection works properly. A lot of remote desktop issues come from network routing conflicts, so this is a very important step. Now let's go one level deeper and adjust AnyDesk's direct connection settings. If your firewall is already set up properly and the issue still continues, your network may be interfering with direct IP connections. Open AnyDesk on your computer. Then click the menu button and go to Settings, then Connection. You may need to click Unlock first if the settings are locked. After that, go to the General section. Look for the option that says Allow Direct Connections and uncheck it. This can help AnyDesk avoid certain network paths that are causing the error. After changing that setting, close the settings window and test the connection again. At this point, one of these fixes should resolve the issue. To recap, you allowed AnyDesk through Windows Defender Firewall, checked your antivirus, turned off VPNs and proxies, and adjusted AnyDesk's direct connection setting. These are the most common reasons behind a network connection was closed unexpectedly error. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow, and it also helps me keep making quick and useful tech fix videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.